us your screen share, and let's see what the prompt is right now.
Share my window. So let me just share the entire screen. Can you see it now?
Yeah, I can see it now. Thanks.
Yeah. So this is my prompt, and I opened the file right here, and this is the prompt that I got back. You press AI. Explicitly given all the steps.
Oh yeah, it's already in your. So go back to cursor. You don't have to go to this site anymore. Yeah, go open up the hack node folder. Yeah, and then pick the README. Yeah, open that up. So then you scroll down. It's got like super mega prompt, ultimate vibe code prompts. So yeah, this is basically what you can edit to build your app. But all you need to do is just copy that section. Just copy this whole section. Yeah, ultimate vibe code prompts. Yeah, copy that, and then just stop at the somewhere there. Yeah. Yep. And then copy that, and then just go, please use this placeholder prompt as an example, but consider my actual app that I want to build. And then it will realize it's a different brief, technical brief now. And then you can say, like, please confirm what you're going to build. And what it should be doing is connecting to a Llama, and it should be creating a new folder in the subdirectory. So all that sort of stuff. So I can't see the screen share anymore.
Oh, you can see it? Oh, give me a moment.
It's like dropped off or something.
I don't know why that's happening. Yes?
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
And confirm?
Confirm what you are going to build.
Okay, and then send it.
And then did you paste the prompt?
Oh,
you did. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, enter or up. But yeah, basically it's figured out. The main thing I'm looking for is it's going to use a llama, and is it saying that? I can't really see when you scroll up. So basically just say, hi, I've installed a llama with llama 3.2 model. Please confirm you are going to use this.
3.2 model?
Yeah, so that same, I'll give you the, let me just load up Discord.
Yeah, it's saying confirmed you have Llama installed and Llama 3.2 model available. I can design the architecture and API integration to use Llama for AI code features.
Yeah, that's it. So that would work.
Yep.
So it should be, because you basically you can say to it, hey, look through the folders. I already have examples of Llama apps integrated the same way. So, but it should be doing that already, but yeah. And then have you designed the game? You're happy with what it's saying, the game design?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Yeah, just keep it simple. Like it's saying that it's going to install a database, but yeah, basically let's try it out. Okay, so what's happening here? This is an agent mode, which is great. So AI agents take a goal and then they just keep going through the different steps to achieve it. So it can actually look at the game it's created, look at screenshots, look at the website it's running, look at the code that it generated and figure out, is this what you actually wanted? If not, it'll just keep going. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Is it still loading for you? Or?
It says ready to proceed.
Ah, cool. And then have you designed the game? You're happy with what it's saying, the game design?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Yeah, just keep it simple. Like it's saying that it's going to install a database, but yeah, basically, let's try it out. That you need to install, which is like npm and brew and all that stuff.
Mm.
The main thing is you're building in your own little subfolder. So it says 0003 game launcher. So basically, you know that all of your files for your application are in that one subfolder. It shouldn't be modifying anything else. It's just using all that other code as examples of how to build. Great. Yeah. So it's going through and installing and building and creating all the files. Yeah. So that's when it's green, it's creating and adding new code into new files. So this is it. Yeah. It's building everything up for you. It's pretty exciting.
That is very cool. Yeah.
So you weren't aware of how to do all this, I'm assuming? Well,
no, not really. I did know that there was
yeah.
something like this, but I wasn't
This is
really,
all like 1 year old. So
yeah.
I know
I've
that the
heard about
university,
this. Yeah.
yes, the
Because
university
this is such
content
a,
doesn't do this.
yeah, no, because I've gone to a lot of workshops and this is something that we talk about all the time. But to actually see that it's so easy and it's just making life so much easier for us, that is very interesting. It's about how we use AI smartly and not just use AI, I think.
Okay, so yeah, just say continue. Just type continue. It will keep building. And then once it's finished, you just say, yeah, run it. I want to see it. And then we'll run it and see it. So yeah, so there you go. So it's created an API in the back end that will talk to Alama. So now it has that AI LLM running in the background, the brains of your application. Okay, so yep, continue building and let's run the website so I can see it. So all of this stuff is developer pain. So here dependencies and all the packages you have to install, all of this stuff used to take developers, 10 minutes at a time to figure out the bugs and install all the stuff. Right. So a lot of that stuff's automated now. Yes, continue. Oh yeah, it's already doing it. Yep.
Yeah.
You're getting it. Now you got it.
Yeah.
All right. So I guess it will spit out some sort of game website and it might half work. The design might be the wrong color. So then you just start talking to it saying, yeah, change this to be green. I want to add
that can be
tree emojis or whatever. So I'll just try and figure out where the automatic, I guess there's auto at the bottom. Oh, that's auto selecting model. There is we'll just let it, you might have to just say continue, but that's kind of annoying. So
that's fine. I think that's the least we can do because it's not, I'm just saying that yes, continue, but someone else might want to say something else. So
yeah, it's fine. Basically if it goes on the wrong track and you can sort of correct it and change course as it's building. So yeah, that's right. Just say build the MVP, keep it simple, please run it and stop confirming. Yeah, continue. The main thing you want to do is make sure it's not stuck in some loop.
Yeah, but I know.
It should be okay.
I think I have to run this. I have to install this, but it said I've already installed it, so.
Okay, let's try it. Yeah. So run that.
Okay.
So you can actually do that in this window. If you go up in cursor, I mean, you don't have to, but yeah, go to
ahead.
terminal, new terminal at the top, terminal.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. And
Oh,
then
okay.
you type that in, the whole thing. You can copy paste 3 lines at a time. That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Okay. And then you can actually have it where it runs the command. So if you're just in the bottom right, just type run the command. Yeah, it should run the command. There you go. So you don't have to use terminal because you can actually run all this stuff.
Okay. So yeah.
Okay, so you got to install it. Let's install it. A bit annoying. This is manual. There we go. That's a bit better. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I guess these are some of the basic developer things to install, and Cursor's there to help you figure that out. And this will actually take a little bit of time to download all the packages for you, get it all running. Yeah, that looks a lot better now.
Yeah.
So all this is Node Package Manager. It's like a server infrastructure for building websites. And installing all the packages so you can display the latest sort of web technologies on your website and app that you're building. So it's a web-based app. I use website and app interchangeably here. All right, so we're nearly there.
Really
yeah,
close.
a little bit of setting up, but
yeah.
Yeah, so let's just get back to the idea. So what are you hoping to build, say, in the next 10 minutes or 5 minutes?
I would say first I wanted to build on the game idea that we talked about. And I think also add different components where not just people from around here, but people can connect with their old school friends who are abroad or overseas and try to get them to also reconnect or connect with new people, because this is just something that a lot of people can find interest in. But
yeah, I think you'd have to have like a login with Facebook or something like that.
yeah, definitely. We can also try to connect to other social medias as well. And then we can have like a little page where you're introducing yourself or something. Or
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it gets a bit complicated when you have to connect with Facebook. You might have to have it hosted with its own website address and things. If you're just doing it locally, you could definitely just have your own little local login database. So, you know, Steve creates an account, blah, blah, whatever. So.
Yeah, but what's getting me is like how easy this is. Like I can build anything with just a prompt and an idea.
Yeah, exactly.
And I can keep adding. Yeah, and I can keep adding as much as I can, and because like the ideas, whenever they just pop up, you can just go in and be like, okay, this is what I thought. Any thoughts?
Yeah, so that's exactly what I did with kin.games. So I just used vibe coding to just build all the different games I wanted to build. If I had an idea, I'd spend a couple of hours building it out and build a little games directory and just have little different ideas in this portfolio of games. I tried hooking it up to a Web3 sort of payment component at the time. I'll go back and update it, but it's just sitting there at the moment. But yeah, I'm using it as examples to show you, to inspire, and that was useful. So even that's worth it. And then yeah, what we can do with this is actually build this app out and then submit that in the hackathon, and then work on ways to monetize it as well. So people
Yeah.
might pay 5 cents to add some special features on their profile. You know, it's never ending what you could do with it. It's really up to your imagination. And yeah, you can go back, leave it for a month, come back, make some changes, update it to version 2. It really just never stops. And the great thing is you own all this code. You've been, creating this code from scratch with AI, and it's all running on your local machine. You can then host it somewhere, and preferably through, like, say, OpenMesh and OpenXAI, get it all up and running. And yeah, this is like, if you had like 100 people paying you $1 each day, it's almost like a little business.
Yeah.
Okay, so it
Little.
seems to be just installing things, or
Yeah, still running.
so if you click open in terminal, it will open another terminal at the bottom. Yeah, open in terminals right next to it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's sort of sitting there. So you can go back to the AI and just say, hey, I think it got stuck. And yeah, it'll have a look and tell you.
Oh, thank you.
So yeah, what you can do is just stop it at the bottom, and then go back and then hit. Yeah, so is it stuck? Push the up button. That was the queue. So you had a queue. So you can actually let it load and then queue it up with 10 different commands, and then walk off, make a cup of tea, come back.
It's pretty good.
Okay, so it says npm was installed. So yeah, keep running. Awesome. Okay, yep. Yes, run it. Cool. Okay, so now hold the command button and push the link on the terminal there, which is localhost 3000. Yep. Yeah, just, you can hold command. No, you can hold it and then click it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's see if it works. There could be errors. We will see. Okay, so you've got an error. So go back to cursor and just say, there's an error. It will look into the error for you. Yes, fix it. Yep, nice. So this is great. So you've got all the necessary stuff installed in the background, and now you're just getting the first version of it running. And yes, there's build errors, but you basically get that fixed pretty quickly. Okay. Was that? Okay, so go back
I think
and
I see something. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're starting. We're at the start now. I'm not sure where it's going to save, because I don't think you have a database installed yet. But I think it's mocking this up for you. It's pretending. But let's launch the game.
Oh, okay. And what we can do is we can put links to these games, or have them have a few games inbuilt as well, just like a different version of the same game. So yeah.
All right. So then, do you want people to be able to log in? That sounds like a pretty important thing.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
okay, so go back and just say, please install Postgres, P-O-S-T.
Yeah, I've worked with that.
Yeah, Postgres database, similar to the other apps in this repository, and yeah, it will go off and do it for you. Yep. So it's installing Docker. So we'll install Docker, which is a virtualization platform. It will run the database in the background for you. When you deploy all this into the cloud, OpenXAI handles the Docker, like running the database for you. Yep, run. Okay, so it's installing all the scripts for the database. This is what I had to do for Kin Games. So when people connect their wallet, it creates a new user, and then I can have leaderboards and cooler things. Without a user database, you can't have leaderboards and things, unless you're just like someone came in from this IP and you create a user from that, but it's not really, it kind of sucks because they can't put their username in or avatar picture or nothing. So okay, so we're installing a database. I just want to help you get this database thing because this is a little bit tricky, but you know, I think you're all over it because it is pretty easy to do.
Yeah.
And it's kind of addictive. You can
Keep
build
going on,
something, get satisfaction from it, and then build something better and just keep tweaking as you make it better. So
yeah.
All right. Well, I think you've got everything set up and running now. So are you happy for me to just let you play around with that?
Yeah. Yeah, that sounds good.
I think once you have your database, you just basically say, please create a sort of manual user system where they create an account and a password and then they can log in and just keep it local. Just say like, keep it local. Don't use any external authentication or Facebook logins or nothing. Just keep it simple right now. So what is the game going to recommend? It's going to recommend people to play different games externally, or are we going to have games?
It can be external, and also at the same time, it can also just be like new versions of games that we do as well. Because I know that the app that I was talking about before, you could play the games, which was sort of like the same ones that was theirs, but just in a different version and a different few rules and methods. So I feel like that's something that we can get on. Yeah.
The main thing for the hackathon submission is to use that Llama, Llama 3.2 running there in the background. So if you can come up with game ideas that use that, like we said, guess that lyric or whatever it is, come up with ideas around using that Llama LLM running in the background. That is the best thing. So if you can make some sort of viral fun game and make it look pretty and have different users or friends coming in, logging in, you can have a little leaderboard and just get it try and be as simple as possible. Like with MVPs, there's a lot of complicated stuff you can do, and you might waste half an hour trying to fix bugs for some really complicated thing. But just try and simplify it right down to, this is my minimum viable product. I need a user system so my friends can log in. I need a leaderboard, and I need, say, 3 games to run or 1 game, and just make it pretty because that might be a requirement. So people don't want to see a white screen with black text. They want to see like gradient colors and
I get what you're
pretty.
saying. Yeah, I get what you're saying.
There's a lot of open source stuff for that as well, but you can just ask. You can ask Cursor, and it will help you. You just say, make it look pretty, and it will go off. I want to change it from gradient blue-green to gradient blue-purple. It will go off and change the background colors. So awesome. I think you had a really good session. I'll let you vibe code now. You're pretty much set up.
Sounds really good.
And then people can watch that and then go, oh, cool. I'll go build something now. And then it just goes from there.
Yeah, I get what you're saying.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Thank you very much so much for your time and staying back at the uni though. Like it's probably getting dark or something. So,
it actually has, but it's all good. Don't worry about it.
All right, we'll get home safe and thanks for your time and enjoy vibe coding. Cheers.
Bye bye.